Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you this simple eyeliner look, which is a sharp wing liner that you can create easily. And I will be using the Lakme Insta liner today to make this look. So what you have to do is, when you start applying, just wipe off the excess, don't take too much on the wand, and then from the 1/4 of the eye start making a big line towards your brow like that. And you can darken it a little bit, just be a little lighter on your hands, don't go too overboard, and then connect the 50% of that liner to your lower lash line like that. It will form a triangle, and then you will fill it up the triangle. After that you're gonna make it a little darker, and always apply your liner in small strokes. ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े स्ट्रोक्स ना लगाएं, छोटे छोटे स्ट्रोक्स से ही आप इसको लगाना शुरू करें. एंड देन यू स्टार्ट ब्रिंगिंग इट टूवर्ड्स योर सेंटर. ट्राई कनेक्टिंग एवरीथिंग little by little. And as you can see in the front, I'm starting to make small lines like that. So even if it looks messy right now, don't worry, we're gonna correct everything. What you have to do is always keep on going back again over the liner that you have applied, and keep correcting it little by little up to your desired thickness. Don't forget your front part also to connect it very beautifully with the rest of the liner. And as you can see, we have created a sharp wing, but still we need to make it a little bit more perfect. So what you have to do is always look down, and starting from the front section, bring your liner back, and as you reach the back of your wing liner, you will have least product on your wand. So that is how you will get the perfect sharp look. Never start with the full product on your wand at the end, because that will lead to a thicker wing, and then we want a sharper wing. And then start filling up all the gaps or any places where you think you need even more of the liner, and then start connecting the end part. And if you see any unevenness, try to connect it. Make sure that when you look down, it should look like a straight line from up. And then once again I'm going all over again, making sure that there are no gaps, looking down and trying to make it even more darker. And that was the easiest liner that you can apply. And do subscribe to my channel, do like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.